here. Then there is state. So this state is present. So this one is more like a command to tell it to do what, to do the task. Then I'm going to be quickly adding the other task as well. Other task. So that's it. Not to waste our time. So since we have been able to connect to our server, so now, and that's it. So this is our Ansible playbook. Now if you run this, since we have already created the user, and if you remember clearly, I told you Ansible is idempotent, so which means if you run it multiple times, if the action has been performed before, so it won't make any more changes to that. So since we have already done this, so it's not going to create a new user again. So it's just going to apply the other changes that we just added, and that's how Ansible works. So let's run our Ansible playbook since we have added all the necessary steps. So I'm going to run it using the previous command. And wait for it to do its thing. So now it's now currently doing its thing now. So you can see the first one, it didn't make any change because I've already done that before. Now these are the new one that I added, and these are the new changes that it's making now. So it's now currently updating the system and packages, so corresponding to our fourth task here. So once it finished that, then we should know. So in total it made three changes. So yeah, and that's it. So we have successfully used Ansible to automate our server setup. So we can easily confirm that if we go and SSH into our server, let's SSH into our server. From here we can now use our name, the new user that we just added. We copy the password and then the new user that we just added. No, okay, sorry. I use SSH-I then because I want to access it with the new user. Then I can now use pick the control path. And this. So now you can see if I do who am I, you can see if I do host name CTL. So you can see in the details, I can see that the host name has changed as well, corresponding to what we have in our system. So and that's it, you can see. Okay, so guys, that's how you automate your server setup with Ansible. Ansible is a very powerful tool that you can use to automate any infrastructure. It has so many modules and plugins that you can use, ranging from AWS to different systems. So it's very powerful too, and it has so more. There's so much more to do with Ansible. So if you want me to go deeper into using Ansible, let me know in the comment section so I can have a tutorial series on specifically for Ansible. This is just an introductory video for using Ansible to automate your server setup based on what we did the last time on my video. So if you haven't watched the video, so you can, I'll put the link in the description. This is a follow-up video. Thanks.